So here's the JOWUA cup holder tray. As you can see, this is a black finish. They do have this in the gunmetal gray to match your center console, but we do have the white wrap, so we prefer the black and white contrast. And it does have this lip here where you can put your key card. This does hold your cup better, and it doesn't pull up when you're pulling the cup out. As well as also keeping it clean, so you have any condensation from ice or spill of any fluids, coffee, milk, water, etc. You just pull this out and rinse it off. As you can see, when we didn't have this tray, there's already damage to this lining already, just from cups, and it's hard to keep clean. So if you want to keep your car mint and clean, this is the first thing someone will see when they purchase a vehicle too. So if this looks all scratched up, it might be a difference between a sale versus not a sale. So highly recommend this, very affordable. I'll post a link also where you can find this.